Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine. Today we are going to commence our online class. Let's start it.
Match the same numbers. We have to match the same numbers. Which number is this? 1. So we have to match it with another 1. Which number is this? 2. So we have to match it with another 2. Which number is this? 3. So we have to match it with another 3. Which number is this? 4. So we have to match it with another 4. Which number is this? 5. So we have to match it with another 5. Which number is this? 6. So we have to match it with another 6. Which number is this? 7. So we have to match it with another 7. Which number is this? 8. So we have to match it with another 8. Which number is this? 9. So we have to match it with another 9. Which number is this? 1, 0,